built a boat that they were going to have to dismantle a bridge
like a
to
historic
get
bridge.
it through
Yes.
in Holland. It's like a 500-foot long boat or something.
Elon Musk isn't just stopping at cars or rockets. He's diving into the world of luxury yachts with a jaw-dropping $700 million masterpiece. This isn't just another boat. It's a floating, futuristic marvel that's packed with eco-friendly tech, autonomous navigation, and high-speed Starlink internet.
That just might be the game changer in the boating industry.
Yeah, just like in the car industry, it's the world's most powerful electric motor that can be installed on a boat or a yacht.
All wrapped in sleek, SpaceX-inspired design. But why would Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX, jump into the superyacht game? And what makes this yacht different from anything we've seen before? Get ready to explore a high-seas innovation like no other and find out if Musk is about to revolutionize yet another industry. The grand unveiling. An unexpected but highly expected turn in the career of Elon Musk. This is his entry into the luxury yacht world. Famous for ventures such as Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company, the public was stunned by the announcement of Musk's $700 million superyacht project. Over the years, fans and critics alike wondered if he was going to step into this arena just like other tech giants, Jeff Bezos and Larry Ellison. But this yacht by Musk was more of something else other than simply another super yacht, as it envisions the change in the industry by innovative and groundbreaking sustainable technology. Officially presented at Rotterdam, Netherlands, was the first public show of Zephyr, a superyacht belonging to Musk. The builder is one of the world's luxury yacht leaders, Ocean Co., a famous Dutch manufacturer of luxury yachts renowned for the blending of luxury with advanced engineering, which gave Zephyr, right away, an instantly identifiable look and feel, very angular and striking. It was strategically chosen because of the city's long history in maritime and proximity to the most advanced shipbuilding facilities. This would thus ensure that the launch of Musk's vision of the future for yachting would be placed at the right location for its unveiling. Designed in collaboration with the chief designer of Tesla and Franz von Holzhausen, the futuristic look of the yachts, inspired by the designs of SpaceX and sharp lines with low-profile hulls, puts it miles ahead of most traditional yachts. This is made possible by lightweight alloys developed in collaboration with the engineers at SpaceX, with the capability to sustain a massive size while achieving more speed, agility, and higher fuel efficiency, opening up new frontiers for yacht design. One of the showpieces of the yacht lies in its eco-friendly technology. The commitment to sustainability shown by Musk is a strong feature of Zephyr's hybrid propulsion system, which integrates hydrogen fuel cells with advanced solar power panels. This unique system makes it possible for the yacht to run with near zero emissions and sets a new standard in luxury yachting, conscious of the environment. Ocean Co.'s engineers worked hand in hand with Tesla's energy division on creating a custom propulsion system for the vessel, aligning with Musk's dream of bringing on a cleaner and greener future. The reveal generated much public interest, and the yacht was covered by all industry and environmental advocacy groups. Sustainable technology and an autonomous navigation system with Tesla's AI are poised to disrupt not only the luxury yacht industry, but also inspire innovation in the entire maritime sector. Bringing Zephyr into the world once again brings to the public light how technology can intersect with luxury and sustainability towards changing the future. But what makes Zephyr stand out from the rest? Let's dive into its one-of-a-kind design that's turning heads across the seas. Breaking down the design. Supposedly, the design of Elon Musk's superyacht Zephyr does away with traditional concepts of luxury yachts, instead presenting a vision of the future in its blend of functionality and sustainability. Franz von Holzhausen, Tesla's chief designer, was behind Musk's vision of Zephyr. He has been rather instrumental in defining the sleek look of Tesla's cars, and inspired both by Tesla's electric automobiles and SpaceX's spacecrafts, the designer teamed with Ocean Co., the luxury Dutch yacht builder, making sure the yacht itself does express an aerodynamic beauty fit for nowhere else than among the yachts in this world. This yacht, Zephyr, is going to sport a series of angular and sharp lines, something of a look break away from the round shapes of the traditional luxury yacht. Its hull, a product of the engineering skill by SpaceX engineers in this specific high-strength alloy, is one that has cut off drag, improved on its speed and efficiency cruising in water. This very same alloy used was able to come up with and fashion extreme conditions for space travels. Moreover, With an aerodynamic design and a low profile, it will slice through the water very effectively. Inside, Zephyr is just as innovative. Von Holzhausen's minimalist approach has resulted in an interior that's both luxurious and functional, mirroring the clean lines of a Tesla Model S. Inside the yacht, you'll find sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and vegan leather. These choices reflect Musk's dedication to eco-conscious luxury. Every surface inside Zephyr is designed to maximize the feeling of openness, from large, smart glass windows that can switch between transparent and opaque, allowing for both privacy and panoramic ocean views at the touch of a button. True to the style of Musk, this technology is seamlessly embedded across Zephyr. An onboard custom AI system supported by Tesla's energy division commands all systems on board through voice commands, from lighting all the way to navigation systems. The yacht's smart home on water experience integrates automation that adapts preferences of passengers, adjusting its temperature, lighting, or entertainment based on voice request. This type of smart control converts the yacht into a highly technological oasis, combining the conveniences of technology with those of high luxury features. Zephyr's design innovations stretch far beyond luxury to the very functionality of the yacht, making it one of the most advanced vessels afloat. The combination of Ocean's expertise and von Holzhausen's forward-thinking design approach has pushed the boundaries of what is possible in yacht construction. From sustainable materials and autonomous systems to futuristic aesthetics, Zephyr sets a new benchmark in yacht design, and for both the luxury and maritime industries, it will be a game changer. Cutting-edge technology on board. Elon Musk's superyacht, Zephyr, is not just a luxury vessel, it is a showcase of groundbreaking technology that brings the latest advancements from Tesla and SpaceX.
Elon Musk is making waves once again, this time in the world of luxury yachts.
To the high seas. Equipped with a custom AI system developed by Tesla's energy division, Zephyr takes smart to a new level. The onboard AI controls everything from climate settings and lighting to security and entertainment, thereby providing a fully automated and responsive environment that adapts itself in terms of the tastes of passengers, all by simple voice commands. It's one of the most impressive features in Zephyr in that it has an autonomous navigation system, similar to Tesla's autopilot technology. The yacht has a whole suite of advanced sensors, radar, and cameras. This lets it set its own course to adjust speed and even avoid obstacles without human intervention. All this is powered by a global satellite network, and this gives Zephyr real-time access to information on weather, sea traffic, and optimum routing. With such a level of automation, the yacht can even dock itself, making it the safest and most efficient vessel of its class. In line with Musk's goals for sustainability, Zephyr also comes with the hybrid propulsion system that contains hydrogen fuel cells and has solar-powered batteries. The emission-free vehicle is also well capable of running at high speeds almost completely by an eco-friendly system of zero emissions. Solar panels across the deck can collect energy throughout the day as it feeds into a battery storage system inspired by Tesla's Powerwall. Hydrogen fuel cells enable activation at higher speeds or longer distances, giving the yacht virtually unlimited distance without the environmental disadvantages of the traditional diesel engines. Thanks to satellite internet Starlink from the company SpaceX, connectivity shall be equally striking on this yacht as well. Hence, in other words, no matter if you are in the middle of the Pacific Ocean or distant coastlines worldwide, connection for high speed is facilitated to passengers around the globe. For entertainment purposes, certainly connectivity is required, which means real-time data transfer with the AI system, whereby it will continually keep tracing it and thus make changes accordingly. With Starlink integrated, Zephyr will ensure an uninterrupted online experience to support both work and leisure needs, a feature rarely seen in luxury yachting. Zephyr, in its advanced technology, goes beyond autonomy and sustainability, as the yacht boasts a high-tech security system comprising drone-based surveillance and biometric access controls. With this multi-layered security setup, it promises the highest level of privacy and protection, alerting the authorities or Musk himself about threats. From AI-driven systems to clean energy propulsion, Zephyr brings together luxury and technology, creating a new benchmark for what a yacht and the future of high seas travel can do. Eco-friendly innovations. Apart from all those luxury features which make Zephyr so visibly ahead of other such vehicles, It is going further ahead in the cause for ecological innovation.
That just might be the game changer in the boating industry.
Yeah, just like in the car industry, it's the world's most powerful electric motor that can be installed on a boat or a yacht.
Taking things from where Elon Musk feels is his commitment. All efforts have been channelized in making Zephyr into a hybrid powerhouse run with hydrogen fuel, and, not to forget, here is that it is designed from one solar-powered battery, also to add to the thrust made into the world that perhaps superyachts never tried earlier. It has been developed with Tesla's energy division and SpaceX engineers. The system enables the yacht to operate with near zero emissions, a remarkable feat in an industry known for its environmental footprint. Hydrogen fuel cells to the yacht are a real leap forward in green technologies for the maritime industry, which generates electricity by producing hydrogen and oxygen into water, a clean energy with its byproduct being only vapor. This will keep Zephyr cruising extended periods without diesel fuel, thereby cutting down its carbon footprints to a great extent. Musk pointed out that this innovation is not to power a yacht, but proof of concept for the future of greener marine and commercial shipping. In addition to the hydrogen fuel cells, Zephyr has extensive solar panels throughout its deck, providing a sustainable source of power for onboard systems. The solar panels feed into Tesla Powerwall-inspired batteries, storing energy during the day that can be used at night or when the yacht is in silent mode. That lets Zephyr cruise almost silently and completely emission-free at lower speeds, but also creates an unusual melding of luxury and greenness, a rather rare virtue in the world of yachting. Water and waste management systems on the yacht are also environmentally friendly. The systems ensure a reduced impact on the marine environment, and it is made of advanced filtration, so that wastewater leaving the vessel has minimal pollutants. This also includes a desalination system that makes seawater into fresh water. Since this yacht would require little fresh water, the water for it would be created right from the seawater. It is a beautiful example for sustainable yachting by Musk. A new standard in eco-conscious luxury, Zephyr challenges the traditional yacht builders to add cleaner technology. The innovations on board Zephyr are already sparking a lot of interest among competitors who see the rising demand for environmentally responsible yachting. By showing off these green advancements, Zephyr raises the benchmark for superyachts and paves the way for a future where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand with open seas. But the green technology on board is just the beginning. Wait until you see how Zephyr practically sails itself. A self-sailing vessel, autonomous navigation. The most striking innovation that the superyacht Zephyr by Elon Musk comes with is the autonomous navigation system, an absolute new thing in the field of maritime technology. As Tesla Autopilot, the advanced navigation system for the yachts will let them move along with minimum human effort.
But I think he's legit. Like, everything I've looked at, it's like this guy actually made this thing which could totally revolutionize the world.
Such ability has very few instances in the entire yacht industry. The system, developed by Tesla's AI and energy teams in collaboration with Ocean So, will chart and adjust its course to make Zephyr truly self-sailing in its operations, using data real-time from multiple sources. At the heart of the autonomy of Zephyr is an intricate network of sensors, cameras, and radar, all put into a global satellite system. This network is always monitoring and collecting information on the environment surrounding the yacht, from weather to other nearby vessels, and even possible obstacles. The collected data allow the AI to make very accurate decisions with regard to speed, direction, and route, in order to make Zephyr avoid possible hazards and optimize fuel consumption. It's a technology not only enhancing safety, but also the ultimate in convenience and peace of mind for the passenger. The autonomous system is directly tied into SpaceX's Starlink satellite network, so Zephyr never loses connectivity at any given remote location. This would make it possible for the yacht to receive live information concerning sea traffic, weather, and other navigational updates across the world. And if Starlink supports such adjustment, the AI would find routes in real time so that the yacht dodges storms or crowded shipping lanes to continue its safe, smooth journey. This is one of the best ways Musk has taken Starlink to ensure all his luxurious designs have maximum connectivity through the most technologically advanced connection. This autonomous navigation system, like Zephyr, tops with safety since there are several other backup systems available. With a faulty sensor, it can divert to the backup ways of navigation while ensuring its functioning, and it may be possible not to miss out on that particular target during navigation with a faulty sensor. Its AI can be overridden with human design. In other words, at any moment, the crew can gain manual control. Such a dual control system brings about the advantages of an autonomous and man-guided navigation system altogether. This shall offer adequate safeguard against the sea that is notoriously unpredictable. A glimpse has already been given of how seriously the maritime sector takes this decision of Musk to integrate autonomous technology in Zephyr for making self-sailing vessels an order of the future. Traditional yacht builders now are turning their minds to how the same technology can be integrated. This could mark the new era of AI-driven yachts. Bringing autonomous navigation to luxury yachting, Musk is once again pioneering a shift that could extend into commercial shipping and even cargo vessels, where there is a potential for safety increases and operational efficiency improvements with autonomy. In Zephyr, Musk sees a future for luxury yachting, lavish in its splendor, yet efficient, safe, and sustainable. That might well be the route to autonomous success, enabling the realization of reduced manning and lower environmental footprint for maritime transport. The first superyacht to bring Tesla-level autonomy on board, Zephyr is setting the standard for how yachts, and maybe even the entire maritime industry, will navigate in the coming years. Unmatched connectivity with Starlink. Its main characteristic is integration into the Starlink satellite network that SpaceX is offering. As of now, it is the best in terms of connectivity at sea, as it offers internet services across the board all over the world.
All electric speedboats with the performance you'd expect and none of the downsides of gas.
Pretty much just like what the people are using at sea. Even if one has to travel down an isolated coastline or sail open seas, their connection remains on just as it would be anywhere else. This provides for a very robust satellite network with thousands of satellites placed in low Earth orbits for Zephyr that seamlessly maintains internet connectivity with working capacity at both work and play or for mission-critical communications. It delivers high and uninterrupted streaming, video calling, and digital entertainment at any distance the yacht moves. This connectivity makes this, for Musk, part of what gives the Zephyr a life that transforms this luxurious vessel into a moving office or an entertainment unit. Integration of Starlink in Zephyr enhances its autonomous navigation system by providing real-time data. This will help AI-based systems to take decisions in real time with accuracy, such as best routing, weather, and safety. Continuous access to updated maps, forecasts, and traffic data would ensure the yacht's movement through the seas is accomplished in the most efficient and reliable manner possible. Passengers enjoy a smoother and safer ride without connectivity affecting onboard systems. Beyond convenience, Starlink in Zephyr represents a technological leap in maritime. It represents how satellite connectivity can revolutionize communication at sea. Such integration ensures that Musk's yacht can always stay linked to the outside world with added security and remote monitoring options. It offers an enhanced level of connectivity that reassures the owners and operators, because anything untoward can easily be dealt with through support at any moment. Musk's vision for Starlink will go beyond luxury yachting and influence the maritime industry as a whole. Here is an example with Zephyr showing how Starlink would be able to support yachts, commercial vessels, research ships, and even small island communities in staying connected. With Starlink on board, Zephyr becomes more than just a luxury yacht. It is a floating testament to the future of global connectivity, redefining how yachts and vessels can operate independently on open seas. Luxury meets sustainability inside the yacht. Inside Zephyr, Elon Musk's superyacht, luxury marries with consciousness. The interior is sustainable and opulent. Interiors of the yacht have a sleek and minimalist look of Tesla cars, but in grand scale according to the chief designer of Tesla, Franz von Holzhausen. Dominated by sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and vegan leather, proof that luxury may not necessarily have to eat into environmental impact. Every item inside Zephyr showcases Musk's vision for fine, responsible living. The yacht contains spaces meant to evoke futurism and openness, along with floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows that can be made opaque to translucent. It's not only designed to display magnificent views of the ocean beneath, but also to grab each and every ray of Mother Nature's light that reaches here in order to avoid using artificial lights inside at the daytime. In case the glass tints in, there appears to be a flexible, airy atmosphere through which a person relates with his environment. This insightful design reduces energy consumption while offering passengers an experience of deep ocean immersion. Advanced climate control systems using green renewable energy sources further emphasize Musk's vision in terms of the yacht system. Tesla's energy unit collaborated closely with the OceanCo engineers to produce an advanced hybrid system, including solar panels, Tesla Powerwall-inspired batteries, and hydrogen fuel cells to support climate, lighting, and onboard entertainment. This eco-friendly system allows the yacht to maintain luxurious amenities without contributing to pollution. It sets Zephyr apart from traditional yachts that rely on diesel generators. This fully automated onboard technology continues driving on sustainability by making full, intelligent adjustments of energy consumption according to the passengers. This AI adjusts the system for temperature and lighting, plus even water, according to its occupancy and time to help conserve resources intelligently. The passengers are also in control of setting via voice command, so that the changes made by Zephyr would have no problem as far as individual preferences go. So this high-tech luxury guarantees a comfortable experience on the yacht, and so it does leave fewer environmental footprints. Every feature in Zephyr depicts how Musk rediscovers luxury by pouring sustainability into it without even losing comfort or sophistication. The yacht, with cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly materials, experiences an outcome that resonates with the broader vision of a sustainable future by Musk. Zephyr is not just another luxury yacht. It's a pioneer example of how one can live in opulence with responsibility, setting a new standard for sustainable luxury in the yachting world. Redefining the yacht market. Elon Musk's Zephyr has more in it than just a yacht to be built as luxury. It is making the industry rethink what a superyacht can be. The history of superyachts was all about the epitome of opulence and exclusivity, giving barely an inch of respect towards the environmental implications at play. With Zephyr, Musk breaks this cycle through the marriage of luxury with sustainable technology. His focus on eco-friendly systems, including hydrogen fuel cells and solar-powered batteries, sets the new standard for the future, forcing the traditional yacht manufacturers to innovate or perish. With the autonomous navigation feature, AI-controlled systems, and renewable energy of Zephyr, Musk introduces industry technology in the field of yachting into the automotive and aerospace domains. This means that discussion shifts from luxury to efficacy, safety, and also tech integration, making a yacht futuristic and functional. Now, yacht builders are considering ways to incorporate similar technology, a possible turning point in the luxury marine market. Zephyr transcends the yacht's hardware to impact consumer demand. Today's luxury customer, especially the younger, techno-savvy buyer, is increasingly looking for product that is both luxurious but also sustainable and innovative. And Zephyr leverages this very demand on its way to attracting even more attention, not only about its luxurious features, but responsibly designed with the latest and greatest technology. In making this move, Musk further redefines what it even means to own a yacht, where luxury now means being concerned with the environment and keeping up with the latest state-of-the-art technology. The same competition is being brought in the market by Zephyr. The luxury yacht manufacturers have gone on a mad frenzy to put sustainable propulsion and AI into their respective models so as to level with Musk's visionary move. Reports indicate that the yacht manufacturers are seeking collaboration with the technology companies in bringing electric or hybrid propulsion into their designs, in the same vein as that of Musk collaborating with Tesla and SpaceX. This ripple effect may soon make sustainable technology the norm rather than the exception in the luxury yacht world. Zephyr is going to set the pace that could, after all, be more extensive than a super luxury yacht. Support for green technology and autonomous systems challenges the entire maritime industry on whether they should produce vessels in line with the future that is going to be more ecological and technological. Zephyr will ignite improvements in commercial shipping and global logistics that may help reduce negative environmental impacts associated with transport through water. Not only does it symbolize personal luxury, but serves as a catalyst for change, the key stage to an even more sustainable future across seas. With all these revolutionary features, you might be wondering, what exactly does a yacht like Zephyr cost? The price tag explained. It boasts the price tag of $700 million, which reflects more than luxury, but the cutting-edge technology and custom innovations used aboard. Unlike other yachts, where most of the money is spent on flamboyant decorations and lavish materials, the price tag for Zephyr lies in its pioneering, environment-friendly engineering and advanced technical systems. The high cost is a result of Musk's drive toward sustainability and innovation. Zephyr is an opulent blend of futurism technology. Its high cost is attributed to several sources. The hybrid propulsion system developed in conjunction with Tesla's energy division and SpaceX engineers, autonomous navigation inspired by Tesla's autopilot, and hydrogen fuel cells with solar-powered batteries for near-zero emissions, an exceptionally rare and costly feat for the marine industry. This self-sailing system connects a network of sensors, cameras, and real-time data from satellites to provide the yacht with unparalleled efficiency and safety at sea. However, the cost is also as much driven by the material applied in the design of Zephyr, along with the propulsion and navigation elements. The hull of Zephyr was made of a special, very lightweight, extremely high-strength material designed by SpaceX. This special alloy material, designed by SpaceX with extreme space environments in mind where it will be used, is expensive in its making and requires special labor and knowledge input for construction, and as such, makes up most of the final cost. Such a light yet so robust material allows the yacht to run faster and energy efficient, but manufacturing is very expensive. The interior high-tech total also consists of luxurious features and eco-friendly materials, which were chosen to represent the very philosophy of Musk regarding sustainability. From the glass windows that turn transparent or opaque at a touch to AI-powered climate control and lighting systems, the interior of Zephyr is as technologically advanced as it is luxurious. These custom features, accompanied by reclaimed wood, vegan leather, and other green material, raise the cost for this vessel and advance sophistication. At a price of $700 million, Zephyr is a far cry from luxury, but is more representative of the ambition that Elon Musk has for changing the yacht industry and raising a new standard from sustainable technology to autonomous systems. With major investments in innovations, Musk has developed the world's first luxury yacht model, symbol of opulence, yet more a blueprint for the sustainable future of maritime travel without damaging the environment. Public reaction and potential market impact. Recent production from Tesla or SpaceX's visionary Elon Musk, the $700 million SuperYacht Zephyr has given the people much fuel for debate and discussion. For some, the yacht represents a very bold declaration of sustainable luxury and avant-garde technology. For others, such a massive vessel is more of a threat to sustainability.
It's like a 500-foot-long boat or something.
You need to redesign the ship. It's a different architecture.
Fans of Elon are thrilled because, according to them, Zephyr is just another example of how Musk's approach towards sustainability works. On the other side, critics believe that any expensive yacht would ironically be marketing an eco-friendly yacht, thus raising discussions on issues of wealth and environmental responsibility. The yacht's technology, especially its autonomous navigation and hybrid propulsion system, has garnered admiration from the tech industry and sustainability advocates. Such high-tech features are not only redefining what's possible with luxury yachting, but are setting a new standard for eco-friendly solutions in the maritime industry. Environmentalists like this integration of hydrogen fuel cells and solar power on Zephyr, as this promises to open the door to more sustainable luxury yacht building practices, as many luxury yacht builders will then be encouraged to opt for cleaner energy sources. Zephyr has also brought a new shift in the yacht market, since luxury buyers are now opting for sustainable and tech-driven options rather than pure opulence designs. As Musk would have it, the new generation of luxury buyers, who happen to be young and full of tech savvy, demand more eco-friendly features in the purchases they make, adding pressure on other yacht manufacturers. As old designs start to gain discredit within this dynamic market, boat-building firms seek partnerships with technological companies to achieve similar autonomous navigation and hybrid propulsion technologies. With Musk's technological advancements, the yacht industry will probably undergo a transformation as it sets a new benchmark for luxury vessels. Industry leaders are responding quickly, and several reports suggest that some yacht manufacturers are already committing money to research and development in light of the demand for sustainable tech-enabled yachts. Others are even mulling hydrogen and electric options to get ahead of the influence. With high technology and eco-friendly engineering introduced into yachting by Zephyr, there would be strong potential to widely popularize green technology across both luxury maritime and commercial segments. Long-term success from Zephyr will spill out of superyachts to influence and affect the wider maritime world as a whole, cargo ships and commercial vessels included. As a self-proclaimed climate activist currently working towards lowering carbon emissions, this lines up neatly with world sustainability goals. His yacht also demonstrates how even luxury on its very highest level can be executed with sustainable sensibilities in mind. Zephyr is no ordinary superyacht. It's something of a revolutionary spark that can propel the maritime industry towards a cleaner and more responsible future, all with Musk back at the helm of innovation. As Elon Musk redefines luxury with Zephyr, he's showing us a glimpse of a more sustainable, tech-driven future, even on the high seas. What do you think? Will Zephyr reshape the yacht industry, or is this just Musk's latest bold experiment? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into Musk's superyacht, don't forget to give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And before you go, check out the next video on the screen to explore more game-changing innovations.